WB V1080 Super Single, and this is our hidden table. This set over here, without the top, is our group buy special package price for new homeowners from HDB homeowners, EC homeowners, BTO homeowners. You can combine with a single with a hidden table, a super single with a hidden table, or queen with a hidden table. The group buy special package is our basic set till here only. Above to the ceiling is all additional charges. Our package is until here only, until the bed level. So now this is our super single hidden wall bed, and this is our hidden table. Now I tell you how to operate this hidden table. There's two cabinets over here. Storage. So to open this table, you need to take out this pin. After take out this pin, just bring down the table. Okay? Then you can see, use, or the other way, you can just turn around anywhere you want to sit. Okay, anywhere you want to sit. Then you flip it up. Just bring the pin lock back. This is our very basic one with the lock pin. But there can be optional. You want to have the electricity. For example, take out this lock pin. This thing can be easily opened. Or something. If you never lock it, this thing will just flip down. See. So some people might don't want to have the lock pin. You have the optional to have the electric switch. This electric switch, you see, it cannot open already. So once you unlock it, it can open. You see, you never lock it, you open it. You lock it, this thing cannot open now. You can't even open, unlock, lock. Okay, so it's locked right now. So now how you operate this hidden wall bed. This is our super single. Anything opens before 45 degrees. If you let go your hand, our hidden wall bed will go back safely. This is to prevent the bed from falling down. Most of the wall bed, you let go your hand, the bed will just zoom down. So I repeat again, before 45 degrees, if you let go your hand, the bed will go back. This is one of the safety features. When if you let go your hand, or sometimes elderly back pain, let's go back, it won't hit the kids or hit the elderly. So after the 45 degrees, the leg automatically come down until your chest level. You let go, you still hold. You open anywhere, you hold anywhere. You open anywhere, you hold anywhere. Even 2 inches on the ground, you still hold. Just press it down. A 5-year-old kid with one finger, you can lift it up. One finger, okay? So this steel frame and steel leg, we give lifetime warranty. So as for the piston, we cannot give you lifetime. The piston can last about 50,000 times. If every day you open 10 times a day, it can last about 12.5 years. The piston warranty by factory is 5 years. The standard box up depth for this bed, maximum, the mattress can go up to 9-inch thick. You put a 9-inch mattress, you cannot put that pillow. This is 6-inch mattress, you can put that pillow. But some customers might say, hey, at home I got one very expensive 9-inch mattress, $3,000, and I want to put pillow inside. Yes, it can be done. The box custom made to a deeper size at additional cost, but once you add a deeper size, this bed will open more out to the room. That depends how big is your room. Majority of hidden wall bed do not come with this headboard. So majority of the people have a hole. When they sleep, the pillow will just drop inside hole. For us, we won't drop one, the pillow will not drop. So this headboard purpose is for you to sit, lean back, you can read books, play your game, or watch TV. Then if you want more comfortable, just put the pillow behind, relax, you can read books and watch TV up to you. We are here 8 years already. In 2009, there's a lot of people feedback to us. The biggest problem for all the wall bed is no ventilation, because sometimes kids sweat, elderly said, when you close like that, there's a smell inside. The pillow inside all have a smell. So we have designed 2 airing points over here in 2009 after 1 year R&D. First airing point, second airing point. So morning when you go to work, the kids go to school, put this way, let the air, you can add the ventilation. You don't need to close also like that, you can put the whole day and that also no problem. And of course some kids might come back out for work, they just close it. Now come to the most important point. How do we know the piston spoil? Most of the brand of the bed, when it's good, the thing will just come down like that. When the piston spoil, how? Zoom, hit down on somebody, how? You might injure the kids or elderly or hit on somebody else. So for us, we are totally different. Just how we said before 45 degrees. If you let go your hand, the bed go back, means it's in tip-top condition. I repeat again, our bed, how the test whether it's working. Before 45 degrees, if you let go your hand, the bed will go back, means it's in good condition. Say 30 years later, you pull, you let go your hand, how come the bed never go back today? That's a signal telling you the piston spoiled. You see, when it go back, it's normal. But once the piston spoiled, you don't go back. After 45, it will just drop. Take note, you have to use two hands to hold it. So, this is our hidden wall bed, V1080 Super Single, and our hidden table. This package set to the bed height is for the group buy special package price for new home owners like BTO, EC, HDB owners. Package group price is until the bed here only, additional charges. Thank you.